How to make your Facebook private. So go ahead and open your Facebook and then click on your profile icon at the top right corner. So go over to your privacy shortcuts, and then under privacy you'll see take a privacy checkup, so click on that. So click on who can see what you share. So press continue. So you'll see who can see all your profile information. So if you're looking at your email address and you want to change it to your friends or only me, you can tap this arrow button right here and you can choose who can see this information. So you can do the same for each information, your date of birth, your friends and following, who can see who your friends are and who you're following. So if it's on public, go ahead and make it on specific friends, your friends accept, and then you can choose who can't see that information. And then once you're done with this part, go ahead and click on next. So here you are at future post. So this is who can see what post you share. So you can make this to anyone on or off Facebook, or friends and then friends of your friends, or just your friends, or all your friends except some people. So you can go ahead and set that to whatever, and you can also go to only some specific friends or only you. So once you're done setting this, you can also do the same for your stories. You can also limit who can see your past post as well. So if you have past posts that you would like to change, then go ahead and click on limit. Click on this limit icon right here. But if you have tagged anyone in this post, then their friends might still see the tagged post. So once you're done with this, go ahead and click on next. And this is your blocked list right here. So you can block someone by just clicking on add to block list and typing the person's name who you want to block. And then click on next, and that is it. You have successfully made your Facebook private.